I need to mail this package today, but I want to make sure everything is correct.
That looks like an important package. Are you planning to send it today?
I am sending this package to my nephew. I want it to arrive safely and on time.
The address looks clear and easy to read. I think it is ready to be mailed.
I am ready to visit the post office. I want to make sure this package arrives safely. It is very important to me.
You packed everything very carefully. I am sure it will arrive in good condition.
We are finally at the post office. Now we can send the package.
The post office looks very organized. There are many helpful services here.
You can sit here and relax for a few minutes. I will submit the package and come back soon.
Good morning. How may I help you today?
I would like to mail this package today. It is going to my nephew.
The address is clear and easy to read. Everything looks correct. We offer standard delivery and express delivery. Which service would you prefer?
I would like to choose standard delivery. That will be perfect for this package.
Your package has been accepted for delivery. It should arrive within a few business days.
The package is on its way now. I am happy everything went smoothly.
Today we learned useful post office and mailing vocabulary. Thank you for learning English with us today.